Hi children, how are you today? Let's sing the days of the week. Are you ready? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Each day special and every day new. How many days are there in a week? My turn. There are 7 days in a week. Your turn. Fantastic. And what day is it today? In a full sentence, beginning with today. Today is Tuesday. Your turn. Fantastic. Well done. Can you show me that many fingers? 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 And that. And that. Well done. That one. And that one. That one. And there on the 5 frame. Fantastic. And we've been doing about different ways of representing numbers. And today we're moving on to the number 4. Now, look who I've got here. It's Mummy Duck. And Mummy Duck has got 1, 2, 3, 4 ducklings. Ducklings are baby ducks. 4 ducklings, and they're all going to go swimming. Use your fingers to join in with this song with me. Are you ready? 4 little ducks went swimming one day over the hills and far away. Mummy Duck said quack, 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 but only 1, 2, 3. 3 little ducks came back. 3 little ducks went swimming one day over the hills and far away. Mummy Duck said quack, 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 but only 1, 2 little ducks came back. 2 little ducks went swimming one day over the hills and far away. Mummy Duck said quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back. 1 little duck went swimming one day over the hills and far away. Mummy Duck said quack, 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 but no little ducks came swimming back. I think if we count to 4, we could get them back. Are you ready to count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little ducks. 4 little ducks went swimming one day. When 1 duck swam away, how many were left? Should we count them? 1, 2, 3. 3 is 1 less than 4. 3 little ducks went swimming one day. When 1 of them swam away, how many were left? 1, 2. 2 is less than 3, and 3 is more than 2. It's a greater number. 2 little ducks went swimming, and when 1 swam away, how many was left? Just 1. 1 is less than 2, and it's less than 3 and 4. 1 is the smallest of those numbers. When 1 little duck went swimming one day, and he went away, how many were left? 0. There were none left at all. That's what 0 looks like. 1 little duck, 2 little ducks, 3 little ducks, and now we're working on the number 4. And that's what the numeral looks like. 4 looks like that. Let's have a look at our ducks on some little cards that we've got here. There's 0 ducks. I can't put any counters on those. On the 1 duck, I can put 1 counter, 1, and I can touch it. I know there's just 1 duckling there. 2, and I can put 2 counters, 1, 2. 2 ducks, 1, 2. It doesn't matter that I use different colour counters. 3. Can we see them? Let's use counters to help us count. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Let's look at those in a bit more detail. Let's place some towers on the number line. So here is our number line, and we're just going to go up at the moment to 4 here. On 0, we don't have any cubes at all. There's 1 cube. 2 cubes makes a taller tower like that. 3 cubes is even taller. 1, 2, 3. You can see them go up by step. And 4 cubes is even taller. 4 is the tallest tower. It's got 1 more in than 3. 3 has 1 more in than 2. 2 has got 1 more in than 1. And 1 has got 1 more in than 0. I could lay them out like this. There's 1. Here is 2. Here is 3. 1, 2, 3. And here is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can see the lines getting longer as the number increases. So 4 is the greatest number of them all. And 3 is 1 less. 2 is 1 less than that. And 1 is the smallest. So that is what they look like. We know that we can represent numbers in different ways. Here are 4 straws. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if I wanted to, I could draw them like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that represents 4 as well. Here are 4 dots on a dice, and I could draw them like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's how they're laid out on a dice. But what if I used counters instead and didn't lay them out like that? I laid them out in a line like that. I could represent them with spots like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's still 4, or this is 4 if I move them around. 1, 2, 3, and a spot there, 4. It doesn't matter. The 4 spots represent 4. The 4 lines represent 4. Even if I place them in a different position like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's still 4. And if we have a look at our cards, we know that that is what 1 looks like in the word. And there's 1 whale there. And 2, the numeral looks like that. 2, 1, 2 houses. 3, there's a numeral. There's the word. 1, 2, 3 elephants. And now 4. There's a numeral. There's a word. 1, 2, 3, 4 boats. If we were to use our 5 frame, we could put cubes on there like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we know that we start at this end. And if we were to use Numicon, we know that that's 1. We know that that's 2. We know that that's 3. And here's 4. 4's got a bit of a different shape. It's even, and each pair has a partner. It's an even number. It's not an odd number like 3. If there were 4 children, we could have 2 pairs of 2. So what I'd like you to do is to see how many collections of 4 you can make. And you could use a 5 frame like this to record them on, and see how many different things you can gather together in groups of 4. So have a lovely day, children. Bye.